In this problem, you've been asked to figure out which function has the greatest rate of change. Rate of change would just be slope between x equals 0 and x equals 2. So we need some rise over runs, and really we need data in a table, and so I've just copied from the graph and made a table, and I've recopied the table of G just for 0 and 2, because those are the x's we want. For the first function, where it was given to you in equation form, we need to find those y values. So when I plug a 0 in, we have negative 3 squared is 9, plus 10 is $19,000, because all these are in tens of thousands of dollars. 10,000 per year is where we start. And so actually 2 years later, this person A has hit some tough times. They've lost money, and now they're only making $11,000 per year. And so now to find average rate of change, we're just going to do rise over run. First case would be 11,000 minus 19,000 all over 2. But that just means that they've lost $4,000 each one of those years on average. The next case, we've used y2 and y1 and found that we have made a positive $6,250 per year. And in G of t, the last case, we've made $17,000 per year. And you could have just seen that up here in our table too. It was linear. Each rate of change was 17 per year, and that was in tens of thousands of dollars. So we had $17,000. And all that means is, what does the rate of change mean in the context of the problem? Over 2 years, on average, in the greatest case, we made $17,000 per year in extra wages year after year.